Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to farm chromas in Expedition 33. Chroma catalysts are absolutely required during your journey to defeat the Paintress, as these can be used to upgrade your weapons. So you better get to collecting them to fight your way to victory. Now for this guide, I won't be showing the locations for the lowest level of chroma catalyst and for polished chroma catalyst, since these two are extremely common among gestural merchants and generally sell for extremely cheap, but I will cover the rest. Starting off with Resplendent Chroma Catalyst, make your way into the monolith and teleport to the Tainted Hearts. The place will look a lot like Monoko's train station back in the overworld. And just go straight from here, and once you cross the small bridge, go to your left and there should be a Gargant just standing there. And all you have to do is defeat him and you will get 3 Resplendent Chromas guaranteed, with some recoat as well. Now granted, it's showing Grandiose on mine. That's because I'm on a New Game Plus. But I assure you, it's Resplendent Chromas on your first playthrough. For the Grandiose Chromas, we're gonna be farming it over in Dark Shores. Here it is on the world map. And inside, we're gonna be fighting these Nevrons that have hands for heads. I have to give you a little warning, however, is that these guys have incredibly large HP pools, even on the first playthrough. So you better have some high damage abilities and great survivability if you want to fight against these guys. Once you do beat them, you will get guaranteed Grandiose Chroma Catalyst for you to use. Now for the perfect Chroma Catalyst. This can't be farmed, as there are only a limited amount of these that you can get, but I can point you to some of the bosses that can drop these. One of them will be dropped by this big boy right here around the world map. Another one from this chromatic creation deep inside Renoir's draft. And finally, you can get 1 each from these 4 bosses inside the Flying Manor. However, that's gonna be difficult, but at the same time a rewarding task. And that's how to farm Chroma in Expedition 33.